Okay, here we have a bunch of free models from Nvidia, but before that, let me tell you that I created this video where we configured Claude Code with Nvidia NIM. People really liked the video, but there was some constant issue that was pressing me. For example, it's taking so long, it's taking 3 minutes to generate, it's so sad, so many different problems. So what I did was the next logical step and went to this free endpoint, got all the models, and then did the inference for each one of them and came up with this tokens per second list. And you can see that we have tokens ranging from, at this point of time, these models gave me error, and you can see that from 0 tokens per second to the highest 16.5 tokens. And if you want to know the name of the model, which gave me 16.5 tokens per second, you have to wait till the end of the video. That's my way of increasing the retention. I'm just kidding. Let me give you this answer here. And the winner is Mistral NeMo. Okay, so this is the best model that you can use in terms of speed, in terms of quality. You can see that these are all good models. Gemma 3 and E2B is a very good model. Solar is a good model. Gemma 2 billion is also a good model. And you can see in that video we tested with GLM 4.7, which is in fact a very low speed, 0.4 tokens per second, which is not at all, it's not good for a functional purpose. But if you want to keep it running, creating reports that you don't mind waiting, then you can use this model. That's a good model. But again, I thought step 3.5 would be good, but this is slow again as well. Kimi K2 is okay, 2.3, and that's okay. So here's the final list. What I will do is I will share the code with you as well. So you can just change the environment variables from the build.nvidia.com and go to this API keys here. So you go to the API key, get one API key and test it out, and put it here in the .env file, and then you will be able to run this Python benchmark.py, and you have your model list here. If there are other models that you want to test from Nvidia, you can go ahead and insert it here, and then the results will be stored here, and then you will have the visualization here. So right click, open with live server, and you will see this beautiful animation here. So I'll share the code with you, and I will share the GitHub repo. This is NIM model speed test. I will just put the code here and share, so you can test this out yourself. Find the best model first, and then use that model. Okay, now what you can do is you can now go back to this video, Claude Code plus Nvidia NIM. Follow all the instructions, but instead of using the GLM model that I suggested, you can use these models, the faster models that we see here. So let me know how it turns out. If you want me to make a new video on integrating anything, please let me know. I'll be happy to make any video that you desire. So I will check you in that video. And if you want to check out Claude Code with Ollama, I have video for that. Claude Code with LM Studio, I do have. So check out the videos. I will see you in the next one.